Hello guys, my name is Honore and you guys are with UnoTutors. You are going to deal today with sets and Venn diagrams. So let's get down to business. Sets and Venn with two N's diagrams. All right, so this is basically what we'll be dealing with. So I'm assuming that you already had the introduction, but I will go through some of the things that you will notice. Basically, when we are dealing with sets, you can think of it as your mathematical set, and then you have different things inside the mathematical set. Like you probably have a ruler, right? And you probably have a pen, cell, a nice protractor there, right? So, and these are a set of things that are inside a mathematical set. So, but now that's basically what we are referring to when we are referring to sets. Okay, so it's a set of objects or numbers that are in something. So the way we present it in maths is we will say that in A, okay, you can say that in A there is a set of numbers, namely 3, 6, 9, 10, 11, and that's basically how we would write that down. Okay, so in other words, in a set of A there is a 3, 6, 9, 10, 11, and then we can also create another set, and then let's say in this set we have 1, 3, 7, 8, 9, 11. Okay, so now we have two sets. We have set A and set B with what we call elements. So 3, 6, 9, 10 will be called elements that are in a set. Now we will then have to sort of communicate what elements are in both, bear with me, what elements are in both sets. And the way we would say that is A intersect B equals, right? So this is not an N, it's sort of like yeah, something like that. So this is to represent elements that are in both sets. And what numbers can we see? We have a 3 here, that's also here. Do we have any other number? There you see, a 9 here and a 9 there, and we have 11 and 11. So the intersect of A and B is 3, 9, and 11. Okay, so that is when we are dealing with the intersect. All right, but sometimes there's another word, so this N is called intersect. So the intersect of A and B is 3, 9, and 11. All right, so let's try and look at the union. So union is just literally the opposite, and what I usually tell my students is union just means all elements in the union of A and B will be all elements in A in a and all elements, you can say plus all elements in B. Okay, so when we are looking at the union, you can basically plus all the elements that are in A and all the elements that are in B. That means obviously you can go from ascending order. We have a 1 there, we have a 3, we have a 6, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8. What else is there? Let me give it here. 8, 9, 10, and 11, and then we close it with that. It's always important to open and close the elements within that box or whatever you call it. So that's basically the union of elements. The union of set A and B would be all the elements in A, all the elements in B. The intersect is all the elements that are in A that are also in B. All in A that are in B. All right, so I hope this helps you. Let's try and do something else, another example. Okay, so let's say we have another set of numbers, let's start A equals to the following. So the letter can be any letter, right? So we'll say in A, that is, let's say 3, 4, 5, right? And then we have B, it can be, let's say 1, 2, 3. Okay, so can you guys tell me what the intersect of A and B is? So remember, the N is all the elements in A that are in B. So what are all the elements in A that are also in B? So we see this, we have a 3 and a 3. So that would be 3. All right, so, and then if we have B union A, I tend to do this a lot, but it doesn't have a, it's not a U. So the union, so what do we have here? Union is basically all the elements in B plus all the elements in A. That will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You gotta put them in those. Okay, so that's basically it. The union just plus A and B, literally all the elements, just add all elements. Elements are just these, the numbers. Okay, so, and the intersect is everything that is in A that is also, okay, very important, it also has to be in B. Okay, that's the intersect. So that is basically an introduction to sets. The way we can represent an element is, there are symbols like E, and you can have we have what we call a universal set, which contains of all the numbers that are in subsets, and we will be looking at that in the next lesson. But for this lesson, let me give you a little bit of work. Let's see if you understand the union and the intersect. Okay, so let's get a will be elements in A are 3, 7, 11, 13. Okay, and elements in B are 2, 3, 4, 7, 11. Okay, so can you find the union of A and B? And can you also find the intersect of A and B? All right, so comment that below, leave a nice comment, and then let us know. Should you need more examples or more elaborations, let me know. I will definitely do that for you. All right, so this is the first video. We're just basically looking at the intersect. I don't want to deal with too many things at the moment, but I guess that's all. So thank you for listening. This is all from me, Uno. Tata.